Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
I'm a Barb, A.M.
Okay, I found it. You just have a ticket for unlicensed driving?
Yeah. Am I allowed to record you or no?
No.
Why not?
I don't want to be recorded, so that would be one reason.
Okay.
But I don't know what the purpose of the recording would be.
Oh, just for my records.
Well, let's
I
just,
forget things sometimes.
well, I can certainly write things down for you if you want.
Sure.
You just have a ticket for no license, and it was really recent, so.
No, they
Do you
gave
have-
me a,
do you
he
have-
gave me a ticket for, he's alleging, driving without a license, and he's
stop sign.
alleging,
Stop, yeah,
traffic light.
yeah, I didn't get to that one yet, but yes, I'm starting with a no license. Do you have, like, did you
Yeah, I
have,
went and
like-
got it. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I wrote the chief a 2-page letter, and he was outstanding. He helped me out.
So okay, issued 6-3, great. Perfect. Okay, did you have an accident or anything on the other ticket?
No,
Okay, just failing to obey a traffic control device.
right.
Okay.
So
So
I
usually
wanna-
what I would do in this situation is just downgrade your ticket for failing to have a, like for not having a license to just not being able to show a license, like when you got stopped. Basically failing to show a document. And then if there was no accident or anything and it was just truly a stoplight thing, I could downgrade that to just like 1 for driving too slow. That would be 2 points. That would get you out of the 2 points.
No, I'm not taking that. I need his body cam and his dash cam.
Okay. So you wanna?
Do I request that, or do you request that for me?
I can give you information on how to request it.
Okay.
So you
West
can.
Difford's already dicked around with me. I've
Well,
made
they
several
can't-
requests.
They can't dick around with you, they have to provide you with discovery, so I'm gonna give you an email where to send it, and then if I have to send it to you, I will. You don't do an open request, you do a discovery request. What kind of request did you do?
Well, I complained in the lobby of the PD about a car parked out front that had a lot of violations, and they didn't do anything about it. So I spoke to the lieutenant, he's like, yeah, the car has nothing to do with us. So I emailed him later that day, called him some bad words, and then the next day he sent an officer, a sergeant, and a mental health professional over to my house. I don't know what he wanted to do, but I tried to request a copy of that incident, and they wouldn't give it to me.
Okay, so in the subject, you know how to form an email, I'm sure. In the subject
Yeah.
line, you're just gonna write Steve versus Kevin Moran, and I wrote WD out here, because that triggers it for me to look at it and go, that means West Effort, because we're a combined court. There's all these different jurisdictions, I just need to know from whom I need to request it. Then I just give you the email address, so that's what you're gonna use it. So you just email that, and let me just see if I have it right now already. If not, I'll request it. But if you have, it sounds like you're asking for a trial at some point. If you are, you stand the risk of like getting convicted of both. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I understand that. So discovery at mantuatownship.com
Yes.
is,
It's just the email address.
who's the recipient of that? Just
There's
some clerk?
multiple, a
Like a
clerk
clerk?
or I have access to it.
Okay. And who would the case go before?
Typically, unless you have a conflict with Judge Conroy, it would be Judge Conroy, but today we
Yeah,
have.
I have a complaint on Judge Conroy.
And then it would go before the conflict judge, who is typically Judge Giordano.
How long did complaints on judges take? Because I submitted that one 155 days ago. Nobody will answer my
I have
emails.
no idea, I don't do that.
Okay.
It was about Judge Conroy?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. I don't even know, did you submit it with the ethics, like the judicial ethics board?
Yeah, it's been assigned a number and all.
Okay, so let me just fix this, I'll just make a note of that.
So I need to go back into court, correct?
Yeah, so I'm just gonna make some notes so we have all the current, what I usually do with every single person is, that's representing themselves, is I make sure I have all your current contact information. Did you give the court your email and phone number and all that already?
No.
Okay, let me just add it, so I'm gonna say, defendant enters not guilty plea. Will rep self. Ah. You don't want someone to represent you, right?
Nah.
Okay. It's definitely West Deptford, right?
Yes.
So many people tell me they have jurisdiction, it's wrong. I'm just requesting it for myself as well. Okay, you're getting your court notices okay at the right address, so I assume they have your address, right? You got a
They
court
should,
notice?
yeah.
You got a court notice in the mail to be here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It came late, but yeah.
Okay, it came to the right address. Okay, what's your phone number?
856-375-0168.
Okay, what's your email?
taskforce34@gmail.com.
So it just says, I'm saying to the court, defendant will enter a not guilty plea today, will represent self, was provided information on how to get his discovery, and I need it also, and I just put your phone number and your email, and it'll just get relisted so that you have time to get that discovery. You will not get it unless you request it in writing, so just make sure you do that.
Is anybody gonna be going to court besides Goggins? Is the other officer that was
I
there?
don't even have the report yet to even know that there's another officer, so if there's another officer you want to be there, I won't know that until I get it either.
Okay,
So I'm just requesting it right now.
okay.
So, do you know who the other officer is? I can try and add them now.
I don't know the name, no.
Okay.
Do you know if West Effort has dash cameras in the car?
Typically.
Okay.
Dash cameras and body worn cameras,
Okay.
typically. So.
And what's the state law on getting his Goggins jacket, like disciplinary actions?
You have to
such?
request anything you want to obtain in writing.
Okay.
So if that's something you're requesting, it could be requested. I'm not sure if the city, municipality, police will even give it to me, but I'm just letting you have to request everything in writing to that email. Okay?
Okay. Awesome.
I don't do it.